You are now watching Doorbell News.
This is what happens at nighttime. A homeowner catches a porch pirate red-handed.
Hey, what are you doing?
Akron, Ohio. Some dude in a red shirt is creeping around someone's backyard. Looks like he's trying to take their air conditioner. Better put some sort of cage around your air conditioner, because these creeps want them.
Can I help you?
Can you help him steal your air conditioner? What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
When you talk to creeps, don't ask them any questions. Tell them what to do. Be assertive. Tell them to get lost.
Do I need to call the police?
Do you? Yeah, you do. Definitely. Hollywood, Florida. A delivery lady delivers a package, and then she decides to walk off with the package. How convenient. Package delivered, package stolen. Looks like a pretty nice house. I'm guessing she's assuming there's something pretty nice in that box. I like the way they have the little grass in between this concrete. Must be something nice in that box. And she's gone. Hallandale, Florida. Look at this guy. Yeah. Better watch those motion alerts at nighttime, because these type of guys are creeping around. Looks like he's trying to take the doorbell off. Atlanta, Georgia. Check this guy out. I don't know what this guy wants, but he needs to get lost. Columbus, Ohio. Cordova, Tennessee. This guy tries to break into this man's Dodge Ram truck. Looks like he has a pistol in his hand.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
He points it at the camera, and then he runs off. Portland, Oregon. So this older woman is going around looking for chairs to steal. She finds this nice red chair, and she wants to make sure it's perfect before she steals it. So she wipes it off clean, and then she tests it out. Yeah. Gotta make sure it's soft before I steal it. Yeah. Get lost, lady. West Valley City, Utah. Another one bites the dust. South Central Los Angeles. There's a creeper with a flashlight. I don't know what this guy's doing, what this guy's looking for, but he needs to get lost. Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah, this is what happens at nighttime. This lady's been seen multiple times stealing from this homeowner. Seattle, Washington. Yeah, at nighttime, these creeps are in your backyard, so you better be on the alert. Look at this guy. Get lost. Happy Valley, Oregon. Yeah, it was a happy day in Happy Valley until this guy showed up with his gray or white bandana. These nice homeowners left a little refrigerator for the delivery guy so that he could have snacks and drinks and stuff, but this guy just comes along and decides to steal the whole refrigerator. You're not a delivery guy, you're a porch pirate, and that refrigerator wasn't for you, buddy. Get lost. San Diego, California. You know you better keep those doors locked. There's a doorknob wiggler. St. Louis, Missouri. What's this guy up to? Looking like Vanilla Ice. Yeah, he's trying to wiggle your doorknob. You better make sure that door is locked. He puts his palm all over the Ring camera so you can't see him. But we already got your face on camera, buddy. You better get out of here. The cops are on the way. Get your dusty hand off my Ring doorbell before I come outside. Okay, I'm coming outside now, buddy. You better be gone when I get out there.
Hey, get out of there.
Yeah, be on the lookout for this guy.
Get out of there.
Brooklyn, New York. This late night creep tries to throw a brick through an optics store. I don't know what he wants. Was he want to steal some glasses or something? Steve needs he wants some new shades or something. I don't know what it is. Tough luck, loser. Get lost. Sacramento, California. This guy keeps showing up at this person's apartment, but it clearly says 534. I don't know what this guy wants. This is the first time he showed up here either. This isn't your place, buddy. You need to get lost. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. A woman with a young baby walks inside of a home, but she leaves her car running with the door wide open. We all know what's gonna happen next. Yeah, don't leave your doors open. I don't care if you're just walking in for a few seconds or a minute. Somebody may walk up and drive off with your car. We didn't get the footage of the guy driving off with her car, but it's clear what happened. She walked into the house, got into a conversation, and got sidetracked. And next thing she knew, she came outside and her car was gone. Don't let this be you. Portland, Oregon. Look at this creep in someone's backyard. Be on the alert. San Diego, California. Always make sure those doors are locked before you go to sleep at night. People love wiggling those doorknobs and testing those locks. Yeah, this is the type of stuff that happens at nighttime. So be on the alert. Be safe. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.